Good morning, everyone. Continuing with Unit 5, today we would start Session 2 Challenges in Sustainable Development. In the previous session, we studied about what is sustainable development. We have also studied Sustainable Development Goals to be achieved by 2030. United Nations, along with all countries, is working towards attainment of these goals globally. But every country faces different challenges while taking actions and implementing schemes for SDGs attainment. Today we will study challenges in attaining SDGs in India. To attain SDGs, the Government of India has entrusted the NITI Niti Aayog to monitor the implementation of SDGs and directed the state governments to make policies, schemes and implement them. But there are certain challenges for achieving the SDGs. The first challenge is lack of effective leadership and coordinated partnerships. Effective leadership is must for attaining the SDGs, as crucial decisions and actions must be taken with regard to policies, legislation, investment, implementation, advocacy, and popular representation of these. Not only leadership but partnership between central and state government and all bodies implementing the scheme must coordinate partnerships. But the challenge is that sometimes the central and state governments do not agree upon some terms like budgeting, timeline, and so forth. Second challenge is social inclusion. India is a land of diversities, regional diversity to cultural diversities to climatic diversities, and so on. A key challenge is to adopt a meaningful standard of basic needs for all people from all parts of the country, irrespective of disciplinaries, diversity, urban-rural gaps, gender inequality, etc. Here, another challenge is to make available basic needs to people in difficult terrains, special people living in violent areas such as Naxal affected areas or terror affected areas. Factors like biodiversity loss, degradation of water, dry lands, forest and climate changes are the challenges to the peace and prosperity, as they threaten to reverse the achievements to date and undermine any future gain. Third is undefined scope and spread of SDGs. Sustainable Development Goals are 17 in number and have 169 targets. This list of SDGs is accepted in principle by all the members. Yet, this list is too large for implementation and attainment purposes. The reason is that SDGs together are so wide in scope that their implementation is challenging. It is a challenge to create and maintain public awareness, mobilization, advocacy, and continuity for 17 goals and 169 targets enriched in SDGs. Fourth challenge is lack of measurable indicators. The SDGs define some targets which are aspirational but are vague in terms of scope and indicators of achievements. There are not well-defined indicators for the target. For example, for safe drinking water, often it is assumed that if hand pumps or tube wells are in village or area, then the place has safe drinking water. But availability of hand pumps and tube wells does not ensure the safe drinking water. But there are no clear indicators that define that what is safe drinking water. Fifth challenge is finance and budgeting for SDGs attainments. For attaining the 17 SDGs, the government must allocate specific budget towards it. But governments especially governments of developing countries like India, prioritize tasks and allocate budgets for other aspirational and other tasks of government. So, the budget allocated for SDGs sometimes falls short of what is actually required. Sixth is monitoring and ownership. Another challenge with SDGs attainment in India is that no single organization has been ownership of this task. Although Niti Aayog has been given the supervising capacity, yet some policy making and implementation powers lie within the states and other organizations as well. This hinders the overall task attainment. The seventh challenge is data for measuring progress. Government has been putting in all possible efforts for the SDGs attainment. A clear example of which is reduction in extreme poor population of India. We could establish this only after the data about the extreme poor people was collected continuously at regular intervals for years. Thus, data plays an important role in monitoring progress. However, data collection for all 17 SDGs is a huge challenge. Data from all corners of the nation is sometimes unavailable or partially collected. Sometimes there is missing data, especially at subnational levels. So, these are some of the challenges which are faced by India while attaining the Sustainable Development Goals.